Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you everything I got for my fall haul. I hope that you enjoy it. Let's go into my kitchen and I'll show you everything that I got. So here's a quick overview of everything that I got on my shopping haul. I shopped at Target, Hobby Lobby, Sam's, Amazon, Bath & Body Works, and TJ Maxx. Okay, we'll start with the Target haul first. So I saw this braided woven pumpkin and I just thought it was beautiful. It has the little tassels, and then for the stem it has a gathering of sticks, and I thought that was really cute. And it was $16.99. Here I picked up some vase filler. They were on sale. They were originally $9.99, dropped down to $2.98. I thought that was a great deal. There's various sizes. This is the medium size, and also there's small and a larger. Also in the Target dollar spot was a pack of 4 pumpkins. And this set of pumpkins were $3. Also at the Target dollar spot were these tin houses. They were $5.99 and they have lights. They are tin. They have a black roof and the little cutout windows. I really think they're cute. Now here's the taller version. Also it has a light and a little chimney at the top with the cutout windows, and they were $5.99 each. This basket, it was also in the Target dollar spot and it was $3.99. I also picked up this little stand. It's white at the top and has the 3 little legs, and it was for $1. So cute. Now here I found these at the Target dollar spot for $1. And this is the little gourd. It's white, and then the pumpkin that is orange. And again, each are only $1, and they are ceramic. So I got 2 of those and just 1 of those pumpkins. And then I wanted to pick up a little bit of a larger set of pumpkins, so I got 1 white and then 2 orange. Now these pumpkins were $3.99. Next I picked up these houses. They are ceramic and they have little lights at the bottom, and they were $3, and I also found them at the dollar spot at Target. And here's the smaller one. It also lights up. Next I headed over to Hobby Lobby, and these were picks, and I actually cut those off of the larger pumpkins. I had an idea of where I was going to use them, and then I also picked up a little smaller of the white pumpkins. And I only got 2 of those and 3 of the larger with the cute little stems. Now these are the pumpkins that are the braided woven, and they came in a pack of 3. And I believe that they were $12.99. Now here is a tea towel that I absolutely loved. It has the muted orange pumpkin with the white pumpkin and the greenery, and I thought that was adorable. Next I headed to Sam's Club, and I saw this pillow and I just had to have it. It is what I love. It has the gold trim, it has the muted pumpkin, orange pumpkin, it says gather. It is corded on the edges with like a burgundy or maroon, and on the back it is just plain gray. and it was $14.98. Next, I'll jump over here. This is a hand soap that I picked up from TJ Maxx. I saw that it had little pumpkins and it had harvest pumpkin smell, and that is just glorious. And it was $4.99. And I'll put that in our bathroom. Now here is some things that I got from Amazon. Here is a Blessed burlap pillow cover, and it was $14.80 on Amazon. And this is not really fall, but I was changing my decor over to more of a farmhouse look. It is great quality. The pillow is actually by Decor House Limited. Here is a cable knit throw that I got off of Amazon. It's an Amazon Basics, and it is 50 by 60 in the color brown, and it was $24.88. And again, it has that faux fur. It is so comfy to just throw across you on a cold afternoon or evening. Next, I purchased another throw. Again, not necessarily fall, but it has the fringe. It's a natural zigzag throw, 50 by 60, and it was $19.68. Now, I was really impressed with this purchase of a packet of 5 pillow covers in the farmhouse style. Now, each is different, and they are on Amazon, and they're sold by Home Brilliant. As you can see, their pattern, each one is a little different, but yet matches and coordinates. And they have the buffalo check, but in the more tans and burlap linen colors. And they were $26.49, and I would highly recommend them. The zippers, everything was great quality. Next, I picked up some things at Bath & Body Works. Here's the 3-wick candle holder. It was for $16.50, and I love that it has the gold leaves around the edges. I think that brings a little bit of fall. And then 2 of my favorite candles are leaves. And it smells so good. That one I have in our living room. And they were running a sale that was $10 off of the 24, so we were able to get it for $14.99. And then the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, oh, so good smell. It just smells like fall in my kitchen. And I love the topper on this one. It's got the fall leaves, and it's really, really pretty. So last but not least is this fall puzzle that is called Call of the Wild. Well, that wraps up my fall haul. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you like it. And if you would like other content like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.